What is up, guys? Here's the third train on this track, and I am surprised because we just 5 minutes early we just saw 2 trains on this track. So here he comes. There's a plane. I don't know if I have my camera on it, but screw the plane. Let's watch the train. It's flying slow. Right here, he's coming. It should be the plane right there. I don't know. But here he comes. Right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching, as always. Alright, guys, here it comes. Operation Lifesaver. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoy, and see you next video. Thanks for watching.